Hello friends and welcome back. In my previous lecture I have shown you that how you can create HDInsight cluster. Now in this part I'm going to open the HDInsight cluster, log into it, and then show you that how you can use this HDInsights. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, the deployment succeeded. Now go to the resource where we'll get your URL to access your SD cluster insights, and there are many options are there, like it's showing the status, it is running, showing the cluster type, that is 2.7 SDI. Now when you open this link, it will going to ask for sign up credentials like your username, your password. Okay, so once you log in into it, you will be access the cluster which you have created, and there are many options are available. When you're going to open this, you will find options for Hadoop, Hive, Spark, HBase. There is option cluster dashboard, cluster management interface. There are two views, Ambari home, Ambari view. Open this Ambari view. Yeah, now you write the admin is by default, and write the password which you have given at the time of configuration. Write the password correctly. So once you open this view, Ambari view, you will going to see there are many matrices will be available, and you can access and monitor all the nodes. There are totally 6 nodes. Okay, six nodes are there. Head and worker, two heads are there, four workers are there. D12 and D4 actually the configuration of your nodes. Now it's loading. So on the left hand side, there are many technologies are there, like HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, Tej, Hive, Pig, Scoop, Uzi, Zookeeper, Ambari metrics, IOCAT, sliders, and this has a metrics like SDFS disk usage, data nodes live, there are 4 live and 0 dead. Then you will find SDFS links, there are 4 data nodes. Okay, you will find the memory uses, network uses, GPU uses, and the cluster load. Then this name node uptime is how much time is passed when this node is created. Then there is resource manager heap, resource manager uptime, yarn, not manager. Okay, so this is 7% used. So this is our matrix. Okay, dashboard is there. Heat maps is all there. Now click on Hive, and there's many options like Hive meta stores, then Hive server, web HCAT server, HCAT client, Hive server to JDBC. This is a URL. And for Hive view, you can click on go to view, and for debugging a Hive query, you can go to last option. Click on dashboard, click on heat maps. You can also have many options. These are already installed into your cluster. Scoop, Uzi, Zookeeper. In action, you will get that you can stop all this, start all things, even restart it. There are total 6 Hive clients installed and 1 HCAT client installed. This is actually the summary of the Hive. Now click on go to view, Hive view. Now this is a Hive view. Now write show tables. Now click on execute. So it will give the result, show the table. There is one sample table, Hive sample table is there. Now if you want to see the content of this Hive sample table, you have to use the SQL command. The database name is default, as you can see. There is a log option is there, visual explanation, and there is UI also available here. You can add different worksheet also. Now copy this table name and write select asterisk from Hive sample table. So it will give all the records of this Hive sample table. Then execute it. So these are, as you can see, Hive sample table client ID, query time, market, device platform, device maker, and these are all the records, session ID. These are different columns are there. Android, Samsung, market, device platforms, Android, device maker, Samsung, HTC, Motorola, state, California, Pennsylvania, Colorado, Utah, countries like United States, Europe, India. In visual explanation, you will get the visuals, and you can also insert your user defined function from here. Select extract from. Now I'm going to check. Wanted to select only records whose device platform is Android. Okay. Let me copy this, paste it here again. Now write where to add the filter in your SQL command and write equal to Android. single quotes be there, not a double quotes. Now execute it. So it will going to fetch all the records where device platform is Android. To add more filter, you can also add with and keyword. As you can see, the device platform is Android, Android, Android. So it is showing the record where the device platform is only Android. Okay. You can also add more filters by adding and write hive sample table dot state. You can also add or if you don't want to satisfy the both condition. In this case, adding and keyword, it means that you have to satisfy the both the conditions. Okay, so now what will be going to happen, it will give the records where the device platform is equivalent to Android and the state is equal to California. Okay, now click on execute. As you can see, the device platform is Android, Android, Android. Only Android is there, and for state, only California is there. California, California, California. Okay, so this is how you can query your statement here. I hope you understand it. So for till now, keep learning and keep exploring.